Alright, it's almost time for the Horde. This is going to be a follow-on from the previous video. I had to stop because our fire alarms decided to go off. We have a system that's wired throughout the whole house, and every once in a while they just decide to go stupid. So they went off, and this is going to be the Day 35 Horde that's a follow-on from the previous video. Just making sure everything is loaded up. I have the Molotovs. I have the last slot on my hotbar empty for Junkie up there. I had some skill points, so I did put another one in here. But I'm leaving it up there because I don't want it to shoot any demolishers that show up and make them go boom. I put this here, not necessarily caring if it gets broken or not. I did upgrade it. Hopefully it'll dry fairly soon. But it is mainly there so that I stop going so close, and hopefully the spider zombies can't hit me through the thing, because I have a tendency to go as close to the block as I can to shoot. But here we go. I've eaten and drunk, and I have plenty of meds on me. I've got tons of ammo, repair materials. I'm gonna get a recog in. I mean a learning elixir. Let's see who shows up. Alright. Let's try out the shotgun. Oh, that was an exploded head. Oh, that's a nice gun. And we've got radiated already. Spider zombies. Radiated spider zombies. Yay! Alright, I want to throw a Molotov and try and take care of those spider zombies. Apparently that went right through the window. Alright, let's do a little spray and pray with the AK. That's so many zombies. There is a spider zombie on fire jumping up and down in front of me, and there he just died. So this is the marksman. I like it, but I don't like the fact I can't put a drum mod in it. I am liking the auto shotgun. There are spider zombies down there that I can't hit from here. I kind of get the backside, but let's do another Molotov. Apparently down the end. Never been able to get it through that gap before, and all of a sudden now I can. Oh, bad time to reload, bad time to reload. How did he manage to jump in here? I am getting a lot of radiated. That makes me a little worried we may have demolishers show up. Let's take a second, and ooh, they're putting a beating on that one. And can I check the ones over to the side? Alright. I really need to get some turrets set up. I've got to find that schematic. Maybe when we go to the Shotgun Messiah, we'll get lucky and find it in there. Whew. That is a lot of zombies. Ow. Stop hitting me through the wall. There you go. I wish the guns automatically reloaded. I know why they don't, but it would be so much nicer if they did. I miss having a drum mag in all my guns. This one needs a drum mag. Just trying to keep an eye out for any demolishers. I know they have a certain sound they make, but the problem is over all these zombies screeching, I can't hear them. So how are you idiots getting in here? I think they're getting pushed through when they're with all the other zombies. Reload faster. I need to drink another learning elixir. Take a recog and a learning elixir. Get everything reloaded and then I'll put down another Molotov. That's a white. Goodness me. I need to clear some of these out and repair that block. Did you die? Ooh, shot his head off. That's a lot of whites. But I guess not a big problem when they lose their heads just like the rest of them. Don't hit me through the blocks. That's not nice. Bad zombie. Alright. That one stayed a little further in. Get reloaded. When it's that flamey, well, I kind of shot him on the way past. That was sheer luck, I promise. Alright, let's do a quick repair. Repair it, please. Thank you. Oh. So apparently they can jump through like one block gap, because that guy just leapt from the side and somehow made it through. Okay, can I shoot him please? Quit reloading and never mind. Poke your head back up here, dude. I'm doing okay on ammo, but I am blowing through a lot of it. How do they always come through when I'm reloading? That's a lot of whites. I am enjoying the M60. I left the tactical at home. I decided just to try out these particular ones. We'll save the tactical for next time. Every single time I'm reloading, this spider zombie comes. I need to repair these. Blew the loot bags right out of him. Well, no demolishers or cops yet, but it's only just after midnight. I'm hoping I'm not going to regret leaving some of the ammo back at the base. Come on, hit something. Well, at least I'm getting plenty of experience for this. Whee. You're ugly, dude. Alright, I need to repair this. They almost got that broken. Double check the side ones. Alright, let's get one of these down. And spray and pray. Somebody the other day called it a spray K. I don't remember who it was that I was watching, but somebody said that one of their followers had suggested calling it a spray K. Thought that was pretty good. Well, so far, no demolishers. And I haven't had a cop. I don't know how... Donkey looks like he's still scanning around, so he's not out of ammo yet. Auto shotgun's pretty nice, especially with a drum mag on it. I need to use the shotgun more because I'm lower on 7.62 ammo than I am on shotgun ammo. Alright, let's do a quick repair, then we'll throw down a Molotov while I repair those two. Not that I can see much through the flames. Occasional head here and there. Random hands sticking up, I'm assuming from the spider zombie. Ooh. Could you just die, please? Thank you. Got the spider zombie before he got here for once. Woo! Alright. Let's throw down a Molotov and see if I can get close enough to do some repairs. Do those not need repairs? Come on. It's not showing me what needs repairs. There we go. Clear these guys out a bit. Let's get some more Molotovs down here and drink our last learning elixir and recog. Ooh, almost set myself on fire. No, 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 no. Nope, I did. I did it. No, could you die, please? My arm is sprained. Right, so it's a good day. Antibiotics. Quickly repair before any more show up. That might be all of it. Can't quite see if that one needs it. That held up pretty well. Didn't have any cops or demolishers. Don't know why that's damaged, but... It'd be fun to roll with the auto shotgun, but the damage it does to the blocks around it, I'm not sure I want to do that. I think I'll stick with the spray K and the pistol. And I think I'm going to go with the tier 6 pistol we have at home. Let's go up and check. So apparently I didn't have any vultures. Maybe I did. He didn't use much, but he took a bit of damage. Let's get you repaired and plop you down right here. I think that's the end of it. Go ahead and pick this bag up. I'm going to keep one stack of each ammo on me. I'll put that back in the bike. That's for repairs. That can go up top. I'll leave all of this here. I don't need the concrete. That goes back in my regular thing. Just waiting to make sure that that is the end of the Horde, and then we will... I'll grab my regular stuff out of here. The M60 Marksman. All 4 of these I will just leave here. Is that all? The pistol goes there. Alright, I'm just trying to make sure I have all of my tools. This I keep on me, that can go there. That goes there, the repair thing goes there. And I put the bike in that crate just for safekeeping. I didn't want to leave it outside. Just because things can be mean. And I did not want my bike blown up. So let's switch to those. I'm keeping the repair stuff on me so I can kind of go through and repair a few things that might need it. There were a few spider zombies that got through, but for the most part it should be okay, especially with no cops. No cops and no demolishers. Not that I'm complaining. And the damage that was done there was probably from me shooting at the the zombies. Oh, I think I put the concrete away. Hold on. Let's take that. Alright, I saw something. There we go. Get all the steel stuff repaired up. We'll get these to steel, and that way too, if they break through these blocks somehow, then we're still protected. But something over here needed a repair. I don't know what, but I saw it flash up. Alright, let's make sure the AK is loaded, and we will go out and start looting the big pile of loot bags. Money. A mining helmet with a helmet light mod. Iron and vitamins. Honey. Dubsy. SWAT helmet. So a ratchet. Lots of coins. Some brass. More brass. Stag party, which I already have, and I don't need the paper. Baton, steel, another machete. What was that? What was that? Hazmat boots. Alrighty then. Ooh, level 4 auger. And Wasteland Treasures Volume 4. That did not finish the series. So lots of ammo. And alright, something has to go. Scrap that, take that. The dog food I want to keep. I've got tons of iron arrows, so that can go. Alright, let's check and see. Just a few places got hit, it looks like, down here. For the most part, and that was probably they fell down while they were swatting. We'll go check that top part. Let's check all the bottom. Alright. Few hits on the stairs. It would have taken more damage if we'd had cops and or if a demolisher blew up. Come on. It keeps flashing at me that it needs repairs, but then not showing me what needs repairs. So most of this damage was probably from me shooting. Alright, there's got to be something that can go. I don't need one brass radiator. Drop it. Alright. So all in all, not too bad. It's holding up pretty well. We haven't died, so that's a good thing. If I could just figure out a better way to deal with the spider zombies, which I think is going to mean getting the turrets. And, like I said, that's why this platform is here. That will be where the turrets live. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this. Get it upgraded to reinforced. Top doesn't need to be, but this bottom part that can get hit, I want it upgraded. But I have them kind of set back a little bit because I don't want them hitting demolishers. Well, at least not the demolishers button. If they happen to shoot that button and I don't know it, and then I hear the beep beep beep, I may actually die of a heart attack. So I'd prefer not to do that. But all in all, a fairly good Horde night. Tons of loot. Gonna have to pull the bike out of the chest and put some stuff in it to get it all back to the base. And then Tomorrow I think we're going to head over to the Shotgun Messiah that is in the... I'm not going that way. Which town is it in? Did I not mark the big Shotgun Messiah? I thought I had marked it. Anyway, I think this is it over here. So we might head over there, and that's probably going to be a couple days worth of raiding in there. So we'll have to... Goodness me, I filled my inventory. We'll have to get over there and see what we can do. Like I said before, I've never actually been through the whole thing, so should be an interesting time. Just start putting some of this stuff in here. I just need to get it all home anyway, and then I can sort it out. That can stay here for repairs, actually. Nope, that's my... Oh, I've got ammo. That stays for repairs as well. So, for the most part, this is all repair stuff. For the most part, I think we're pretty well set to go do Shotgun Messiah. I will take extra ammo. I know that I will loot some of them in there, but I'm going to, because it's not for a quest, I can run back to the bike as much as needed. So I will take plenty of stuff with me. I'm gonna grab Junkie and pop him back in the bike, because he's the one with the drum mag and the rad remover, so he might be pretty helpful on that trip. And there is the lovely tones of 4 o'clock in the morning, which means if I log off now, it will not spawn a second horde on me. So all in all, this little base is doing pretty good. I think I'm going to leave this here. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. And I hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.